Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose QuietComfort 45 headphones, and in this video I am going to show you how to connect these headphones with two different devices at same time. So here on this side I have Android device, and here on this side I have iPhone. So let's start. So first of all, I will connect these headphones with my Android device. So I will open my phone's Bluetooth settings, and then in the next step, I will turn on these headphones. So on the right air cup, we have this power button. You have to bring it to the middle to turn on these headphones. Now in the next step, you have to use this same button, and then you have to slide it to this Bluetooth sign, and then you have to hold it for 3 seconds. So I will slide this button, and then I will bring it to this Bluetooth sign, and then I will hold it for 3 seconds. Now you can leave this button and then select this scan option on your Android phone. So it will show you Bose QC45 in your available devices. So here you can see now it is showing Bose QC45. I will select it, and then it will ask you for the pairing. So here you can see it is showing Bluetooth pairing request. I will select this pair option, and then it will get connected with my Android phone. If you want to allow access to contacts, you can select this allow option, but I don't want it, so I will select this deny option. So in the next step, we will connect these headphones with Bose Music app on our Android phone. So I will go out of this Bluetooth settings, and then I will open Bose Music app. So here you can see now it is showing Bose QC45. It is still searching, and here it will also ask you for the pairing request. So I will select this pair option, and then it will make the connection with Bose Music app as well. So here you can see it is also connected with Bose Music app. Now I will open Bose QC45, and here you can use all the features and functions of these headphones. Now in the next step, you have to select this option of source. So I will select this source option, and then here you can see we have this option of add new. So you have to select this add new option. So I will select this add new, and then here you can see it is showing ready to connect. Now we will connect these headphones with our iPhone. So I will open the iPhone Bluetooth settings. So I will bring down this panel. I will select this Bluetooth icon, and then I will go to my iPhone Bluetooth settings. So here what you have to do, it will show you Bose QC45 in available devices in your iPhone as well. So you have to select it. Okay, and then it will start making the connection. So here you can see Bose QC45 is also connected with my iPhone. Now I will open the Bose Music app on my iPhone. So I will open the Bose Music app, and then it will also start making the connection with the app. So here you can see now it is connected, so you can open it from here. Okay, now here you see we have this option of source. So select this source option, and here you can see now two devices are added in the Bluetooth list. So here we have iPhone, and here we have this Samsung A55. So you can just cut it from here, and now I want to use these headphones in my Android phone. So I will just select this cancel option from here. And here you can see it is showing both devices. Now you can go back. So now you can see you can use these headphones on both of these devices. The next thing is how you can switch the connection for these headphones for both of these devices. So for example, if you want to play any audio or video through your Android device, you can play it, and then you can listen it through your headphones. Now if you want to play any audio or video through your iPhone, first of all you have to pause it through your Android phone, and then you can play it through your iPhone, and then you can listen it through your headphones. The next thing is, if you have any connection issues for these headphones, I made a separate video about how to fix the connection issues for Bose QuietComfort 45 headphones. So you can watch that video. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.